Hello my dear students, welcome back to Math with Bahaar. In this class, we shall learn about addition and subtraction of integers. So children, in order to add or subtract integers, we need to remember and follow certain rules which I'll be sharing in this video itself. But before that, let us know what are integers. So integers are a collection of numbers which consists of positive numbers, negative numbers as you can see here along with 0. So these positive numbers can be written along with plus sign or without any sign, negative numbers along with negative sign, and 0 does not carry any sign. So all these set of numbers we together call it as integers, which is represented by capital letter Z. So Z is extracted from the German word Zahlen, which means numbers. Now let us understand the rules that should be followed in order to add or subtract integers. So integers having same signs, let's say positive integers or maybe negative integers. If both are positive or both are negative, then you're going to add those integers. So if you have different signs, let's say first integer is a positive integer, the second integer is a negative integer, then you'll be subtracting those integers. Or maybe first integer is a negative integer, second integer will be a positive integer. Even then what you are going to do, you are going to subtract those integers. If you have different signs, then remember that you are going to subtract it. So same signs, you have to add the integers. Different signs, you have to subtract the integers. But the sign that you are going to put in the result, that is in the answer, that will be the greater number sign. So this one I'll explain you along with the problems. Let's move on to the problems now. So let's consider plus 3 and plus 5. So as you can see here, both these numbers are positive integers. So you can see that plus 3 is also a positive integer and plus 5 is also a positive integer itself. So if you have both plus signs, then what you are going to do, we know the rules. We are going to add these numbers. So 3 plus 5 gives us 8. And the third rule says that we have to allot the greater number sign. So cover the signs now and check it out which number is the greater one. As you can see, 5 is the greater one, and along with 5, what is the sign that is before it? Yes, it is plus. So we are going to put plus in the result. So the answer is plus 8. Let us take our next question. Minus 3 and minus 5. So again, as I told you, whether we have to add the numbers or subtract the numbers, it depends on the rules that we have learned now. So if you have same signs, then we are going to add the numbers. If you have different signs, then we are going to subtract the numbers, and in the result we are going to put the greater number sign. So as you can see here, both these signs are minus and minus, that means same signs. So we are going to add these numbers. 3 plus 5 gives us 8. Now cover up the signs or hide the signs and check it out which is greater one. Again we can see that 5 is greater. So what is the sign along with 5 now? Yes, it is minus. So put a minus sign in the result. That is the answer. So we get the result as minus 8. Let us take our next question. Plus 3 and minus 5. So children, I have taken the same numbers here, but I have changed the signs of the integers so that you can understand the difference between them. So as you can see here, the signs are different. So what does the second rule say? Yeah, if the signs are different, we are going to subtract the numbers. But 3 minus 5 is not possible for us to subtract because 3 is less than 5. So here in integers, what we can do is we can go in a reverse manner. That is 5 minus 3. Why? Because 3 minus 5 is not possible for us to subtract. 3 is less than 5. But 5 is greater than 3, isn't it? So let us subtract 5 minus 3. In a reverse manner. So 5 minus 3 gives us 2. And now let us put the sign over here. So as we know that in the result we have to put the greater number sign. So for that what we need to do, cover up the signs or hide the signs and check it out which number is greater. Is it 3 or 5? Yes, it is 5. So what is the sign along with 5 here? It is minus. So let us write minus in the result. So the answer or the result of these integers is minus 2. Let us move ahead with the next problem. Minus 3 and let us take plus 5. Okay. Now again, addition or subtraction depends on the signs that we have in these integers. So are the signs same or are the signs different? Yes, the signs are different over here. Why? Because one number consists of minus sign and the other integer is a positive integer. So if we have different signs, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract the numbers again. So 3 minus 5, can we subtract these two numbers? No, because 3 is less than 5. So what we are going to do again? We are going to do it in a reverse manner. So 5 minus 3, that is a greater number minus a smaller number. We get 5 minus 3 as 2. Okay, so let us write 2 over here. And now let us allot the sign. For that we need to cover the signs or hide the signs and check it out which number is greater. Yes, it is 5 and the sign along with 5 is plus. So put the greater number sign over here and the result is plus 2. Now let us proceed with our next question. So here we have minus 90, minus 152, minus 123 and minus 156. So basically we have to follow those three rules which I had already told you. If we have same signs, we are going to add them. If we have different signs, we are going to subtract the integers and the answer should consist of the greater number sign. So here we can see that all these numbers have the same signs, right? All the signs are minus. That means all these integers are negative integers. So if you have same signs, we are going to add the numbers and the sign that you're going to put here is the greater number sign. Now let us add the numbers starting from the ones place. So 0 plus 2 gives us 2, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 6 is 11. So put the right side number down and take the left side number as carryover. In the tens place, 1 plus 9 gives us 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 plus 5 is 22. So you have two digits. Right side number you are going to put down and left side number you are going to carry to the hundreds place. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, right? 4 plus 1 is 5. So let us write here as 5. And now you have got the result as 521. But this is not yet completed because we have to put the sign also here. For that, let us cover up the signs or hide the signs and check it out which number is the greatest among all these. So 90, 152, 123 or 156. Which is greatest? Yes, it is 156. So check the sign which is along with that. It is minus sign. So here it doesn't matter whether you're going to put the sign by checking the greatest numbers. Why? Because here all the signs are negative itself. So you get the same sign here. So the result is minus 521. Now let us proceed with our next question. Plus 5 plus of minus 3. Here bracket represents into minus of plus 3. Again there is a bracket, that means it's into minus 2. Minus 6 and plus 12. So let us solve this problem now. So as you can see that there are combination of signs here. You have plus sign as well as minus sign along with the brackets. So here as I told you, bracket means it is multiplication. So first you have to remove the brackets by multiplying the signs here and remaining numbers should be written as it is. Plus 5 should be written as it is because it does not have any brackets. Now removing the brackets for the next number. So plus into minus gives us minus and 3 as it is. In the next one we have minus into plus. So minus into plus gives us minus. So if you have different signs, the answer will be minus. So 3 as it is. Now write down all the remaining numbers as it is because it does not have any brackets. So minus 2, minus 6 and plus 12. Next, we are going to arrange all the positive numbers together and all the negative numbers together. So as you can see here, the positive numbers are plus 5 and plus 12. So let us bring it together and arrange it first. So plus 5 plus 12. Now you can see that all the remaining numbers are negative numbers. So let us arrange all these numbers as well. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 6. So we have arranged all these numbers now. So it is easy for us to add and subtract. Plus 5 and plus 12 is already grouped now. So as you can see here, both these numbers are having positive signs, that is same sign. So what we are going to do, we are going to add 5 plus 12, which is going to give us 17. Now to put the sign, look at the number which is greater among these two numbers. Yes, it is 12. So 12 is the greatest among these two. So now look at the sign along with 12 and put the same sign in the result as well. So the sign along with 12 is plus. So let us write plus in the result. But this is only half of the answer. Let us proceed to the next half of it. So in the next half of the numbers, we have negative signs. So here we can see that if we have same signs, again we have to add the numbers and put the greater number sign. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 6 is 14. So let us write 14 here. And now put the greater number sign. Among all these numbers, which is the greatest number? Yes, it is 6. So 6 is having negative sign along with it. So let us put minus in the result. So it is minus 14. Now we can see that we have two numbers. One is positive number and the other one is a negative number. So integers having different signs should be subtracted. So 17 minus 14 gives us 3. Now look at the number which is the greater among these two. So 17 or is it 14? Yes, it is 17. So what is the sign along with 17 here? It is plus. So put the same sign in the final result. So here the result is plus 3. Next, let us move on to the homework problem. This is going to be a homework problem, children. So the question is minus 16 and plus 12. So you can comment the answer in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And I will meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye-bye.